The reactivity series is the order of elements in terms of their reactivity. We have the most reactive at the top and the least reactive at the bottom. We can use this to tell us how to extract these metals from their oxide. Carbon can only take oxygen from metals which are less reactive than it. These are less reactive than carbon and therefore can be displaced by carbon by a reduction reaction. However, as we looked at in the last video, these are more reactive than carbon. So we must use electrolysis to extract them from their oxide. Electrolysis means splitting using electricity. Is it a way to extract the metals more reactive than carbon from their oxide? Electrolysis is set up like this. It has two electrodes, one positive called the anode, which is here, and one negative called the cathode, which is here. With ionic compounds, these need to be molten to be electrolyzed, as solid ionic compounds cannot conduct electricity. In ionic compounds, the positive metal ions are reduced at the cathode, and the negative non-metal ions are oxidized at the anode. In electrolysis, the positive ion will go towards the negative cathode and gain an electron, and the negative ion will go towards the positive anode to lose an electron. In an example of molten aluminium oxide, the positive aluminium moves toward the negative cathode to gain an electron. This then becomes aluminium. The negative oxygen moves towards the positive anode to lose an electron. This then becomes oxygen. You have now learnt about electrolysis and how it can be used to extract metals more reactive than carbon from their oxide. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on. Exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions. Worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.